Pachipamwe. Somebody asked, how do they say something hurts? So you want to say, my head hurts. In Shona, you would say, urikurwadza Musoro. Urikurwadza Musoro. Literally, that means I can feel my head. I can hear my head. Think of it as, normally your head is just there, but when it hurts, you definitely feel it. So, urikurwadza Musoro. If your tooth hurts, urikurwadza zino. Urikurwadza zino. If they all hurt, urikurwadza mazino. One tooth, zino. A lot of teeth, mazino. Urikurwadza mazino. What about if it's your stomach? Dumbu. Urikurwadza mudumbu. Urikurwadza mudumbu. Because it's inside your stomach. That's why we have the prefix mu. Urikurwadza mudumbu. How about your leg? Gumbo. Urikurwadza gumbo. Urikurwadza gumbo. I feel my leg. There's some pain there. I feel it. Urikurwadza gumbo. Another way you could basically say the noun hurts. So, Musoro urikurwadza. The head hurts. Musoro wangu, my head hurts. Musoro wangu urikurwadza. Musoro wangu urikurwadza. My tooth, zino. Zino rangu ririkurwadza. Zino, the tooth, kurwadza, to hurt. Zino ririkurwadza, the tooth hurts. My tooth hurts. Zino rangu ririkurwadza. And if it's your stomach, mudumbu. Mudumbu mangu murikurwadza. Mudumbu mangu murikurwadza. If somebody asks you and they can see that you're not feeling well and they ask you, what's wrong? You can also say, ndine musoro, which literally translates to, I have a head. Ndine musoro. I guess when it doesn't hurt, you don't have it. But when it hurts, you have it. Ndine musoro. If it's your stomach, ndine mudumbu. My stomach hurts. Ndine mudumbu. Bye.